So today I'm talking to you about the Thunderbolt Magnum solar panel foldable charger. It's 5 watts. Now this I briefly talked on last week. It looks like a little folder. It's very small. It's probably about 4 or 5 inches in width by about maybe about a foot long. So this is really nice. And as you open it, you have these 2 amazing solar panels. You have one here and you have one here. And over here, you have this, right here, this red light will turn red as soon as there's enough sun hitting it to charge something. And then you just plug in your USB right here. So whether it's a GPS unit, a cell phone, anything that you have that has USB, it is only 5 watts, so it's going to be a slow charge. So I think with my cell phone, I have an Android, and it took probably about 4 or 5 hours to get almost a full charge. You want to make sure this part's in the sun, but not your cell phone or your device. So even if you put this in your dashboard or you put this in the window in your home, then you could obviously charge your phone away from the sun. So I think that we should utilize the power of the sun. I've been getting into solar lately. I'm loving it. I'm gonna have a lot more great videos coming up next week and throughout the week. So please stay tuned and come back for more if you are into solar energy. See you guys next time.